You gonna say something or what?
Did you record?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. It's been a very long time. And I'll be honest, we're just getting straight to the point. I've been really unmotivated to do anything with this car and been constantly debating on selling the car. But nevertheless, today's video, I'll be installing this Acuity short shifter. So my girlfriend got me this on Christmas and I've been slacking to install it. And I've been hearing a lot of good things about this short shifter. I had a hybrid racing V2 or V3 on my SI. I did have one issue with it, but it still did its thing. So we'll see how this one is. And I heard it's a lot better. So let's get to it. I'm gonna do that.
Is this for B-roll?
It is now. Oh shit. God damn it. Alright, so that was basically the unboxing for the short shifter. Very nice packaging, and I can't wait to. It's still like freaking. I didn't cut into this yet, but just looking at it and feeling at it, the quality is, I would say, is a lot better than hybrid racing because it even tells you like what inches and all adjustments is. This is a three-way adjustable, by the way. It tells you everything and how it's mounted and stuff, which is great. Comes with some screws or bolts or whatever. Pretty sticker. So when I bought this is how the shift rod came. And I went to go pull it out, and you can see it was rusty straight from the box. Can you see that? It's picking up the rust on the screen. Look at the screen, dude.
I think so.
So I messaged Acuity literally the day, I think it was Christmas. The day after Christmas, I messaged them.
Boxing Day.
Or Boxing Day, yeah. And they sent me out a new one, like a week after, which is great. And this one's the mint one. So I want to give a big shout out to their customer service team. I think the person I was talking to, his name was Todd Baker, but he was very nice to me and he just sent it out right away. So, guys, let's get started. Is that burp? So first steps first, we're going to take the shift knob off. This is a 14mm wrench. Easy, lefty, loosey. Take the knob off. This is a Type R shift knob, by the way. I want to give a big shout out to Rob at Acura Oakville. Sick ass knob. Take the nut off.
Ayo.
Alright, nuts off. And then you want to take this piece off. It should just pop right out. And then you also want to take this part out. I guess this would be a center console, essentially. And then to get this out, you literally just pull it up. You literally just pull it up. You literally just pull it up.
The veins on your hand is popping.
Fuck off. Okay, hold on. I gotta figure this out. Come on, dude. There we go. Fucking embarrassing me in front of my girl, dude. What's going on? There we go. That should just come right out. Okay. That's done. And if I remember correctly, it's these three bolts right here. Can you zoom into those? If you can see them. There are three bolts, and then there's two shift linkages on each side. So there's one over here. Is it too dark?
I think so.
I hope it wasn't dark the whole time, was it?
I don't think so.
Okay. You don't think so? You're filming, bro. The screen's right there. Okay, there's one right here, and there's one on the other side. You probably won't see it. I have to like stretch this open, but it's right here somewhere. Right there. Whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna take these bolts out and I gotta go find a wrench for that, and we'll be right back. Okay, so you need a screwdriver, and I believe this is a 12mm. Yes. So this screwdriver, you take these two black bolts out right here. Okay, come on, you fucker. Okay, I'm not doing that. Why the fuck is it so tight? There we go. So yeah, the reason I'm taking out these black screws is because it'll help us like stretch this part out so you can reach the whole shifter. See, that's the bolt we're getting out to right now. The best way and the proper way to do this is take out this whole center console shit where your armrest is and everything. But that's a lot of extra work and I don't want to do it. I'm probably going to bite my words. Okay, dials are out. Now for the meat and potatoes. Oh, you know what? Before you take those out, actually, I shouldn't have done that. So if you see right here, your points right here, these little like cover things, you actually have to pull it off these nubs. And I believe you just stretch these out like that. There we go. You want to get those two off. And there's one at the bottom right here. Right there. So you literally grab those two pins right here. You can see those two pins and you pull them apart. There we go. Okay, now we can proceed to take the bolts off. Okay, that's another one. I don't remember it being this fucking tight in here. Holy shit. Okay. Those are the 3 bolts. Now for the hard part. So the shifter linkages, I guess, right here. There's a weird way to pull them out. You're supposed to twist them off to the left, I believe. So just grab these. This one's gonna be really hard to see, but I don't know if I can do this. I might have to take these out. Okay, so that's where the shifter is right now. And if you come along, over here, there's a clip right here. And if you take out this clip, this whole piece can flex. And it has it on both sides. So I'm gonna do that to give me some more room. Oh, that was easy. Oh shit. Having the right tool makes it so much easier. So there's a piece right here that's holding a clip on for this. You literally just pull this forward and it should come out. And then the clip's right here. Hope it's not too dark. Alright, that's good. You can shut off the recording. Fucker! Dude, I dropped a clip!
Then what you're gonna do...
I'm taking the whole fucking center console off because I'm not dealing with this shit. The best way and the proper way to do this is take out this whole center console shit where your armrest is and everything. I'm probably gonna bite my words. Right? And then you're gonna get all the way to the bottom. And then you see this. See, it's a blank of nothingness right now. If you yank this out, there's 2 bolts that you're gonna need to take out. I fucking jinxed it earlier. I knew I said it earlier too. Fuck, man. And this should just come out actually, like that. Okay, so I should have just done this earlier. So I took the whole middle center thing and I just pushed it back. There's actually 2 plugs right here that attach to this. I don't know if it's CSX only. It might be heated seats, but just double check on your SIs as well. It might have these 2 plugs. Holy fuck, that looks crazy. This is what I've been struggling with. It's that piece right there. So what's supposed to happen is it comes out like that. So I'm gonna try to do it. Oh, my back. So what you're supposed to do is grab it right here and then twist. The outside. Come on, baby. There we go. Got it. As you can see, it's a twist. So this tab is going to be inside the shifter. You want to turn it so the tab's out like this, and then you pull out. Now I'm going to go do the other side. So the other one is right here. And I forgot to say it earlier when I was trying to take these out. We want to put another bolt back in so this doesn't move around. Okay, I have no idea how the fuck this one's... Oh, there we go. Okay, this one's also... So this one's kind of different. You got to turn it... Or I guess they're both lefty-loosey. Okay, whatever. And that's it. Now this one's out. Now, we just take the top bolt out. Now this should just pull up. Well, make sure this goes through the holes. There we go. So make sure it goes through that hole right here in the bottom. Right there. Yeah, this is the old shifter. Oh, I want to feel this with my hands, bro. Ooh. Right, here's the Acuity shifter. Oh, this actually looks fucking nice. So there's 3, I bought the 3 adjusters. So one of the adjustments is the heights. The other one, it looks like the throw adjustment tool. And it's stuck at 3 right now. So I'm just gonna leave it for now and then adjust accordingly. And then this one is the gate. So left and right gates. I'm guessing this is the throws up and down. See, this is fucking sick. I love Acuity. They fucking mark that shit down, so I don't have to guess. And then I don't know if you can see here. It shows what level there. What level you want to get it to. And it shows if you want to increase the throw adjustment or decrease the throw adjustment. So I want to higher. So I'm going to do that. So it should just go in the same way. That should go through here. That should go through there, etc., etc. Actually, you know, I should screw this in first. What the fuck is the screw bag? So Acuity gives you a new hardware that you should use. It looks a lot better than the OEM one. Then I'm just gonna screw one of these into the short shifter and then try to get the those linkages in. Now I'm gonna try to put I'm gonna struggle to put the fucking shift linkages back in. Holy fuck, that's hard. There we go. Holy fuck. Oh. Okay, now I got both those fucking linkages in. We just put everything back in like we did before, and then we shift away. So, I forgot to mention, gotta put the fucking rod in, right? And the way to do that, it's kind of weird actually. So in the bag of hardware that you got for the three screws, you're gonna get this insert and another bolt. So what you're supposed to do is take these two out. Oh, almost fucking dropped it. Okay, and then you place this here, so it goes in and out, and then you place the insert on the left side, I believe, and then this on the right, and this should just screw in. See, and that's how you can adjust your height. So I'm gonna put it at 3 for now. Oh, dude!
Damn.
Holy fuck! Feel that shit. Feel that shit. Dude, chill. Not for free, man. Okay, we're nearly done putting everything back together. Now we're just putting the center sliding console back in. And, how the f... I think it's because of the angle, man. Right now it's really weird. There we go. And that's it. Okay, we're in the final piece now. I just took off the shift boot. So just make it look cleaner so you can actually see the shifter. And that's it. And it looks like you can adjust. I think it would, if you just take this off, you can adjust the throws and stuff. I was thinking, maybe I should have bought a Acuity shifter. But this actually looks fucking hard with the theme going. Can you see my feet? Ew.
Yeah.
Ew. I gotta cut that shit out, dude.
Oh, that's perfect.
There we go. Yeah, that's good. Okay, everything is back together. It just looks super clean. Let's go for a drive. There we go. Holy shit! Yo, that's scary short, dude. What the fuck?
Whoa.
Actually, that's not sure. I think it actually might be too short.
And it can go shorter.
Dude, I don't know how I feel about this. That's super short. So, first impressions, way shorter than the hybrid. Way shorter than the hybrid. not as loose as the Hybrid 2. Because if you look down, neutral, just the little, like you see in every Acuity shifter doing this shit.
Whoa.
This doesn't do anything. Hybrid had that, like a lot of wiggle. I think that's it. That may be it for the video. Let's go for around the block one more time. So that wraps up today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. I want to give a big shout out to Acuity for even developing that, because I think they actually made the 9th gen and 10th gen before they even made the 8th gen, which is pretty good. Type R shit now was great. Thank you, Rob, and big shout out to Ashley, the girl behind the camera, for buying me the 8th gen shifting.
Hi.
Alright, thanks for watching. Bye now. Zoom into the T's. Zoom in. Zoom into the